Did you know onions have been used as currency, medicine, and even love potions? From ancient pyramids to your dinner plate, the onion has an epic story. In this video, we're peeling back the layers of this humble veggie to reveal mind-blowing facts, bizarre history, and surprising uses you never expected. Onions were found in the eyes of Egyptian pharaohs. Yes, mummified kings. They believed onions had magical powers that symbolized eternity, thanks to their endless layers. Onions were even offered to gods and placed in tombs as spiritual food. In the Middle Ages, people used onions to pay rent, buy goods, and even as wedding gifts. They were that valuable, especially in places where food was scarce. It's not you, it's chemistry. When you cut an onion, it releases sulfuric acid, which quickly turns into a gas that irritates your eyes. Your tears are just trying to wash it away. From red, white, yellow to sweet Vidalia and pungent shallots, onions come in all shapes and strengths. Some are mild enough to eat raw, others are strong enough to ruin your date night. Onions contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight inflammation and bacteria. In ancient times, they were used to treat colds, fevers, and even wounds. Both belong to the allium family. If garlic is the spicy younger sibling, onions are the reliable, tear-jerking older brother. That's heavier than a newborn baby. Grown in the UK, this monster onion took years to develop. Some studies suggest onions may help prevent memory loss. They boost brain health and even reduce stress-related damage thanks to their antioxidants. In folk medicine, people used to mix onions with honey to make a syrup that cured coughs. It might not taste great, but grandma swore by it. Onions are one of the most universal vegetables, grown on 6 continents. India and China are among the top producers in the world. Raw onions are sharp, spicy, and great for digestion. Cooking them caramelizes the sugars and makes them sweet and savory, perfect for curries, soups, and burgers. Don't throw away the peel. Onion skins are packed with antioxidants. People use them to make natural dyes, soups, and even teas. Ever heard putting an onion in your room absorbs viruses? Sorry, no science backs this. It's an old myth from the plague days. Onions don't magically purify the air, but they do smell strong. NASA once sent freeze-dried onions into space. Astronauts didn't appreciate the strong smell though, so they weren't repeated guests. Just place the bottom of an onion in water or soil and watch it sprout in days. It's a fun way to recycle and start your own little kitchen garden. The word onion comes from the Latin unio, meaning one or unity. Onions are 89% water. No wonder they shrink so much when cooked. Onions were once believed to boost courage in Roman soldiers. Onion breath can be neutralized with parsley or green tea. In 2020, the world faced an onion shortage, in part due to panic buying. Yes, you can power a small LED light using an onion soaked in electrolytes. It's not super practical, but it's an amazing science experiment for kids and curious minds. Who knew onions had such a rich and weird history? From ancient rituals to space travel, this humble bulb is truly incredible. So next time you cry while chopping onions, remember it's not just a vegetable, it's a legend. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more amazing food facts. Comment your favorite onion dish below.